happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following along with all of the projects around the house lately, you know that I've been moving everything towards more of a cozy old European style that I personally really love. So today we're going to be working on the bedroom, and if you've seen the bedroom transformation video, you know that we've already done a lot of work in this space. We have painted, we did a faux wood look on all of the doors and door frames, we added in new curtains, new decor, all that kind of stuff to really kind of make it match the vibe of the house. But the one thing that has stayed the same throughout the entire bedroom transformation has been our furniture. And while the furniture does work with the look of the space, it's not really fitting with my personal style at this point in my life. So I've really been wanting to update it since we did the bedroom makeover, and honestly before that even. Today we're going to be starting that process, and we are going to be updating some of the bedroom furniture and kind of doing it bit by bit so that it's not as overwhelming and we can gradually change out the furniture and update the look of the space. If you're interested in updating my bedroom furniture with me, then make sure to like and subscribe so YouTube shows you more of my videos. I have new videos every Sunday, and we are going to get right into the bedroom update. So we've had this bedroom set for about 12 years now, and while I absolutely loved it when we first got it, my style has changed so much over the years, and I don't really gravitate towards the dark wood tones anymore. I've found myself really loving warmer wood tones and pieces that feel a little bit more timeless. Today we're finally starting to update the furniture in this space to match that. I'm replacing our bed frame today with one from Homary. I also ordered a couple of new nightstands because I'm finally going to have room for 2 nightstands, which I'm actually so excited about. Our current bed is honestly just really huge. It's so tall that getting into bed every night feels like I'm climbing a mountain, and poor Nala can't get up or down by herself, which I don't love. I'm really excited to have something that's a little lower, a little bit more practical, and actually fits the direction that I'm trying to take the room. We have all of our boxes here, and we're going to go ahead and get everything unboxed and put it together and see if this comes together the way that I'm picturing it in my head when we get it into the bedroom space. I've actually never ordered furniture from Homary before, so I'm really excited to see it in person. If you haven't heard of them before, Homary has a huge selection of furniture and home decor in all kinds of different styles. Since I've been trying to create a warmer, more timeless look throughout our house, I spent way too long looking through their website before finally deciding on this bed. I wanted something that felt timeless, was well made, and could grow with the style of our home. I'll have this bed along with Homary's website linked below if you want to check it out. One thing I always appreciate with furniture is when it's well packaged, because there's nothing worse than opening a box and finding damaged pieces after you've been waiting for it to arrive. Thankfully, everything showed up in great condition, and it looks pretty straightforward to put together. I actually don't mind building furniture. I don't know if that's weird, but I just throw on a book or a podcast, and it's pretty relaxing. The instructions look pretty straightforward, so I'm super excited to see this come together because I think it's going to totally change the look of the bedroom. Alright guys, we got the mattress to the side, box spring out, and it's time to get this old bed out of here. So we're gonna break it down and move it out to the living room, and then we'll bring in the new one. One of the first things I noticed once everything started coming together was just how nice the wood finish looked in person. It has this really warm walnut tone that feels rich without being too dark, and I knew right away it was going to work so much better with everything else we've already updated in the bedroom. I also really love the design of the headboard. It has these fluted wood details that give it a little more character, but it still feels really clean and timeless. and it really goes well with a lot of different decor. So it fits perfectly with my European cottage vibe, but I could definitely see this working with a more modern home too. Definitely put the sides on upside down. And one of my favorite details has to be the boucle headboard pillows. They're actually attached to the headboard, so they're super comfortable to lean back against if you're reading in bed or just winding down at the end of the day. I feel like they make the whole bed feel a little softer and cozier without taking away from the wood. And I'm a huge fan of boucle fabric, so this one really called to me. It's just so cozy, and I love that it looks delicate, but it's actually really durable. Something else that really stood out to me is how solid everything feels once it's put together. The frame has a really sturdy construction, and I like that it's made with solid wood and quality wood veneers because these materials make it a piece that's actually built to last. I wanted something that would still feel like me in 5 or 10 years, and I honestly think this is a piece I'll love forever. Okay, so we have the new bed in, and it already looks so different. I knew switching from the darker wood to this warmer, lighter tone would make such a huge difference, but I had no idea what an impact it would make on the space. It just feels so much lighter and brighter in here with the wood tones instead of the black wood. And I don't even have the bedding on yet, which is just going to make it feel even more alive. And I think that's a really good balance because it still has that moody vibe that we have in this space. Obviously, it's darker, it's moodier, and we get that with the warm wood tones and the boucle fabric having that texture, but it's not so dark with the darker wood tones. I also really love that it sits lower to the ground. It makes the room feel a lot more open, and it also is just a lot easier to get in and out of, and Nala's going to be able to get onto this bed by herself no problem, which I think is so great because she will be able to hang out in here anytime she wants. So now comes my favorite part. We are going to be putting the room back together. We're going to be bringing in the 2 nightstands that I got to go with the new bed frame, and I'm really hoping that they look good in the space and that they fit well on the 2 sides of the bed. We are going to have to kind of like shift the bed a little bit over to be able to fit them both. Obviously, we're also going to have to bring the pictures and the lights down so that everything looks balanced and like it was supposed to be there. Right now they're very high, so it looks a little bit silly. And we do also have a little bit of a patchy spot on the wall. I distinctly remember when I was painting the room that spot was patchy, and I just felt like whatever, it's a future me problem. So now that's my problem and I'm gonna have to fix it. But I do have some spare paint left over, so we should be able to do that really easily and just kind of touch it up. We are gonna go ahead, shift everything over, put the mattress on, and add the nightstand so we can see how it looks all together. Then we can add the bedding back on. Guys, we have the bed all set up and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. The warm wood tones just look so good in here, and they really just go better with like the earthy colors that we have with the green walls and like this clay terracotta colored bedspread that we just added. So I'm really loving it. This definitely isn't the finished version of this room. I know that I want to replace the dresser, and I also want to replace the armoire at some point, so we'll be swapping those out, and then I think it'll it'll be pretty much where I want it to be after that, but I'm super happy with the progress that we made and the updates with adding this bed. I think it made such a huge difference. And I'm really, really loving like the lower profile of this bed. Our other bed was just really tall, and that was a look that fit what I wanted when I moved into this house, but my styles just changed over time, which happens. So I feel like this one really just aligns with my style and my vibe a lot more now. And it also just makes the room feel so much bigger, so much more open. We quite literally have more space just because we don't have like the bulky frame of the old bed. We're able to move around a lot more freely. Nala can get up and down on the bed, which I love. Like, it makes me so happy to see her come up here during the day, and she has been loving it. She comes in here all the time. It's become like her little safe space. She's snoring right now. And it makes me so happy to see her happy and comfortable in here and able to just come up and down whenever she wants. Like, there she goes. She plopped on the floor. So she can just be in this space and enjoy it just like us, which is amazing. I'm also really happy to have 2 nightstands. I know that probably doesn't seem like a big thing, but I haven't had a nightstand in legitimately like 10 years since Matt and I moved in together. I love being able to like put a water over here, have my book here, my phone, and not have to go around to the other side of the bed. It's so nice. I've been really, really enjoying that. Because the bed frame fits the room a lot better, we can do that. And I did lower the artwork and the sconces to make it just kind of fit the bed better. I also touched up the paint that was a little bit splotchy on the wall as well. So I think it looks so good. And it's just such like a moody, cozy vibe in here. I've been loving spending time in here. I come in here to edit. I come in here to hang out with Nala. It was storming the other day and we came and like just cuddled in here because she gets nervous. We've been really enjoying the updates on the space and just the vibe overall. A huge thank you to Homary for partnering with me this week. Their products are so amazing. The quality of this bed is incredible. It's so comfortable and just really easy to put together and put into your room without a lot of effort, but it makes such a big impact. And they're really just very beautiful, timeless pieces. So if you're interested in browsing some of their furniture, their bedding, anything like that, I will link their website and also this bed frame below for you guys in the description box so that you can check that out. And I will also link a discount code if you're looking to update your own space. If you enjoyed this week's video and updating my bedroom space with me, then don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel so YouTube shows you more of my videos. I post new videos every Sunday, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.